This video is going to show you how to make really easy homemade macaroni and cheese. So first you're going to need 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of cheddar shredded, 2 cups of milk, 16 ounces of large elbow macaroni. Make sure they're elbow macaroni or rigatoni or a thick noodle, because what we're going to do is we're going to get our water boiling real good. We're going to put the noodles in there and we're going to take it off the heat, put a timer on for 10 minutes. That way you don't have to worry about stirring it. You don't have to over stir it where they become mushy. As soon as that starts boiling, just like that, rapid boil, you throw all your noodles in, get a big spoon, stir them a couple times. We're going to put a little salt in there. Make sure you stir them just a couple times. Okay, we're going to put the lid back on. As soon as it starts boiling a little bit again, we're going to take it off the heat and make our cheese sauce. It only takes a couple minutes, see, to start boiling again. So you just set it over there. We're going to turn our heat down to medium. We're going to set a 10-minute timer. We're just going to keep that off to the side, off the heat. See, our macaroni is over there with a lid on it, off the heat. We're going to melt 1 cup of butter. We're melting our 1 cup of butter. As soon as it gets melted, we're going to put in our milk. And this is on medium heat. You don't want it on high because you don't want to scorch the milk. So you just wait for all this to melt and then add the milk in there. Okay, our butter is nice and melted. It's just barely got a little bit of a boil to it. See in the middle? We're going to add our milk. It's 2 cups of milk. I'll warm that up just a little. I'm going to put half our cheddar in, half our Parmesan. Just going to slowly melt that. Again, we're just on medium heat. We don't want it too high. Just melting it away. Now we're going to add the rest of our cheese. Keep melting. Always use shredded cheese. It melts faster and better and gives you a nice creamy sauce. This will take a couple minutes to melt, but you don't want to do it fast because you don't want it to burn. Okay, once the cheese is starting to really melt, see, it's really starting to melt, then we turn the heat off and just leave it on the burner for a little bit till it's completely melted into the milk. Okay, our 10-minute timer went off. Remember, we had our noodles setting to the side, cooking in the hot water only and not on the burner where you had to stir it constantly. And see how nice they look? They're not all mush. So we're going to strain them and then we're going to put the cheese sauce on. All you do is dump them in the strainer, strain off the water. Always have cold water running in the sink while you're doing this, so the pipes ain't getting all that hot water all at once. Then we're going to take them, put them back in the pot, take our nice cheese sauce, dump it right on. Once we get all the cheese sauce in, mix it up, turn the heat on medium heat just for a couple minutes till we get all the cheese in all the noodles. After it has sat for 10 minutes, look how nice and creamy it is, and it's ready to eat. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy your macaroni and cheese.